Welcome to your B1 English listening practice today. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with us. Today we are exploring a very interesting topic. Have you ever felt like you speak English well and you know many words, but you still feel unsure of yourself? It feels like an invisible barrier is stopping you from sounding truly fluent and natural. Today, we will discover how one tiny common word might be quietly destroying your English confidence without you even realizing it. Let's dive in together. Let's start with what I call the just trap. Many learners use the word just as a filler word. A filler word is a word we use when we are thinking, similar to or a. For example, you might say, I just want to ask a quick question. In this specific sentence, just does not add any real meaning. It is simply used to fill the silence while you prepare to speak. While using it is not grammatically wrong, using it too often can make your speech sound repetitive and less interesting. Do you find yourself using just a lot when you are nervous? It is a very common habit for B1 learners. Now, it is important to remember that just is not always a problem. In fact, it has other very important meanings that provide nuance. Nuance means a very small, subtle difference in meaning. First, just can mean only. For instance, if you say, I have just one sister, it means you only have one sister. Second, just can mean recently. If I say, I have just finished my lunch, it means I finished it a very short time ago. Understanding these different uses is essential for reaching a higher level of English. It helps you express your ideas with much more precision and clarity. So, why is overusing just a real problem? It has a social cost. When you use just too much, you might unintentionally undermine your authority. To undermine your authority means to make yourself seem less powerful, less certain, or less confident to others. For example, saying, I just think we should change the plan, sounds much weaker than simply saying, I think we should change the plan. It makes you sound apologetic, as if you are sorry for having an opinion or for speaking up. In a professional business setting, this can be a major disadvantage. You want to sound certain, not hesitant. Don't worry, there is a professional fix for this. You can replace just with more assertive language. Assertive means being confident, direct, and clear. Instead of saying, I just believe this is right, try saying, I am certain that this is right, or I strongly believe this is the best option. Another great alternative is to simply remove the word entirely. Instead of saying, I just want to say something, try I want to say something. These small, simple changes will make you sound much more professional and decisive during your conversations. It is a powerful way to reclaim your confidence. Let's review our key takeaways from today's lesson. We learned about the just trap and how filler words can negatively affect your speaking flow. We also explored the nuance of using just to mean only or recently to add detail. Most importantly, we discussed how to avoid sounding apologetic by using more assertive alternatives like, I am certain. By being mindful of this one tiny word, you can stop it from destroying your confidence. Remember, small changes in your vocabulary and sentence structure can lead to much bigger improvements in your overall English fluency. You are doing great. Great job today. We covered some very important points about using just effectively. Please listen to this lesson again to help reinforce the new phrases and vocabulary we learned. Keep practicing every single day, and I will see you in the next video. Happy learning, everyone! If you want more videos like this, subscribe and follow English with us. See you in the next one.